Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna learn a new thing. It's like a hack for MS Excel. I'll be guiding you how to do sum and average of a number of values without using formula. Yes, you heard it right. Without using formula, you'll learn how to do addition of a few numbers and taking average of those. So let's get started. In front of you, I'm having data of 10 students and we are having their marks. It's like 23, 28, 30. So maximum marks are 30 and students have scored from 15 to 30. So now I'll be guiding you how to take average of these 10 marks and how to add these values without using formula. So here's the trick. Move your cursor over the first value, drag it, or you can use shift and arrow keys to select the values. I have selected the values now. You have to check over here average, count and sum. And literally if you're gonna check it with the formula or on your calculator, it will be exactly same. No doubt about it, and there is no exception in this. It will be correct because you can do mistakes but computers never lie. So just select the values and here will be the answer. Now you can do this also. I am changing the values. I am selecting these 4 now. The count is 4. Sum has been changed. Average is also changed. Let's say I am writing over here some bigger values. It's up to you. It can be any random number. Doesn't matter. It will work in every case. Select the values, average, sum and count. Again in front of you in fraction of seconds. It always works. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.